Hi everyone, I'm Chris Long with GoFish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second SEO. Today we're going to talk through how you can visualize your site architecture by using Screaming Frog. So here I'm on a personal injury attorney site in Pittsburgh, and what I did was I performed a crawl of their site. If I want to see a visualization of this crawl, I can actually go up to Visualizations and then Force Directed Crawl Diagram. Screaming Frog is going to take only a second to create the visualization. And here you can see it actually visualizes the site architecture. It's going to start at the home page and then spread out through there. Overall, on this site, it looks to be pretty well architected. They have different kind of practice areas segmented into clearly defined topic areas. So medical malpractice, car accident, truck accident, maybe there's some consolidation opportunities they could do here. The blog looks to be maybe a little bit segmented away from the main site, so maybe there's opportunities to find deep pages in the blog and maybe internally link to these better, depending on how important they are. But you can use this crawl diagram to really visualize the crawl of your site, as well as visualize the crawl of competitor sites who might be better architected than yours.